Hi, it's Brett Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape here to give you another lawn care tip. Everybody wants a green yard first thing in the spring, and there's a couple things that you can do to promote that. First of all, you want to make sure you get your springtime fertilizer and pre-emergent put down even before the grass starts greening up, and that way you promote an early green. Late February, early March is kind of a good time to do that, so make sure you get that down, and that will help promote a springtime green up. Another thing that we're going to do here today is we're going to cut this yard. It doesn't look like it needs to be cut, but if we cut it short, it'll trim off a lot of the brown grass blades, and so when the yard does start growing, those green tips will show through, and it'll make the yard look a lot greener than had you not done that. So I'm going to cut the yard now, and I'll show you what it looks like. Be right back. Okay, so I just cut that yard about 2.5 inches, and I hope that comes through on the video how much I really cut off there. So now it's pretty short. It's going to allow the green grass to come through and really green this yard up here in a couple more, well, probably in about a week actually. Now one thing to keep in mind is these are a couple things that you can do to really promote an early green up. It doesn't always guarantee that you're going to have the greenest yard first in the springtime, but it is going to give you the best shot at that. There's a lot of things that go into whose yard greens up first. Grass type, soil type, pH, a lot of different factors can play into when your yard greens up specifically, but this will give you the best chance of having the first green yard of the year.